Hello, students. How are you? Hope you are all fine. Okay, in this video, we are going to learn the poem Above Ben Adam by Lee Hunt. First of all, let me sing the song for you. Above Ben Adam may his tribe increase. Above Ben Adam may his tribe increase. Awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. Awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. And saw within the moonlight in his room. And saw within the moonlight in his room. Making it rich like a lily in bloom. Making it rich like a lily in bloom. An angel writing in a book of gold. An angel writing in a book of gold. Exceeding peace had made Adam bold. Exceeding peace had made Adam bold. And to the presence in the room he said. And to the presence in the room he said, what it is though? The vision rides his head. The vision rides his head. And with a look made of all sweet accord, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered the names of those who love the Lord. And is mine one? Said above. Nay, not so, replied the angel above, spoke more low. Replied the angel above, spoke more low, but cheerly still and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. The angel wrote and vanished. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again. The next night it came again. With a great awakening light. With a great awakening light. And showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. Led all the rest. Hope you like the song. Now let's know the meaning of the poem. Okay, children? One night, Above Ben Adam suddenly woke up from his peaceful sleep. Through the moonlight in his room, he saw an angel writing something in a book of gold. Above was a good man and had never done anything wrong in all his life. Thus, he was brave enough to ask the angel what she was writing. The angel looked up calmly and replied in a sweet, gentle tone that she was writing the names of all those people who loved God. Above was very curious to know that his name was on the list or not. The angel replied that his name was not on the list. He was stunned after listening to the angel, but not dejected. In low voice, he requested the angel to write his name in the list that have the names of all those people who loved their fellow men. The angel accepted Above's request and wrote his name and vanished. The next night, the angel reappeared in his room with still more dazzling light. The angel opened the book of gold in front of Above. He was delighted to find his name on the top of the list. It was the list of those people whom God has blessed. The last line of the poem, and lo, Adam's name led all the rest, aptly highlights his excitement, greatness, and happiness over being blessed by the Almighty above the rest. Okay, children? Now you knew the meaning of this poem. So now I will take leave. Thank you. Bye bye.